we're making snowflake ornaments. This craft is awesome because we're using paper rolls from around the house, which we know everyone has around their house. We made these from 2 toilet paper rolls or 1 paper towel roll. We hope you try this craft when you're home for the holidays. And if you're new to our show, hi, I'm Riley. I'm Reese. And I'm Grace. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Now on to the video. And the things you'll be needing for this craft are 2 toilet paper rolls or 1 paper towel. White paint if your rolls aren't white. Rhinestones and glitter. And a hot glue gun. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to paint 2 of these little guys. Toilet paper rolls. It would look a lot better if you painted the inside of the toilet paper roll. Now we're going to let these dry. Okay guys, so now that we've painted our paper towel rolls, what you want to do is you want to take them and you want to flatten them out like this. And you want to do that to both. Okay guys, so the next step is you need 5 little strips to create a full snowflake. And we did about a 1/2 inch, so I'm going to be measuring with my ruler and marking 1/2 inch. Okay guys, so now I'm going to glue my little strips. You're going to start with hot gluing 1 on the crease right here. And then you want to take another toilet paper roll piece and just stick it right them together and just hold it for about 10 seconds. I'm going to take another and do the same thing. And then you're going to take the last one and glue it right there. You're going to glue last one at the top, and this is where you'll puncture your hole inside and you'll put the string through the hole. Okay guys, so this step is optional. With the little leftover toilet paper rolls you have, you can cut them however thin you want. It does not matter measurements, just however thin you want your little design to be. So you're going to cut out 2 thin pieces, and you're going to take it and you're going to bend it. You're going to stick it together like this and bend it like that. Just like this. And take hot glue, glue it onto the end. Like that, and you can put it in any which one of the creases, and it makes it come to life. Just like that, and you can do as many as you want. Okay guys, so the next step is you're going to trace hot glue on the outline right here on the edge of the snowflake, and then you're going to dip it into your glitter. This step is optional, but it makes the snowflake look a lot prettier. Okay guys, so all you have to do is you have to punch a hole in it and stick any kind of string through. See you next week, bye! So the next step is, since we need 5 little strips for the snowflake, we're doing about a 1/2 inch marks, 1/2 inch wide. So It's a vampire. Guys, I found a kid from off the street looking like